Hey guys, we are at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we have a 2017 Harley Davidson Sportster Iron 883, and it has the Hard Candy Custom paint job in red. This bike has also had a lot of cool aftermarket stuff done to it. We've got handlebars, mirrors, some Arlen-esque grips, Canon filtered intake, has the Vance and Hines exhaust. This motorcycle is also equipped with ABS, has a little mini saddlebag, and the miles are also nice and low. We're sitting at just over 6,000. 6,142 to be exact. Let's see how this pipes sound. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, San Marcos, California, and we do test rides 6 days a week. Come check this one out. It's not going to last long.